y'all, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. Y'all peeped it. I know y'all saw the title. Y'all peeped like what? No baby hairs. No baby hairs. I'm gonna show you how to get this laid. I did do a detailed wig install, and I'm gonna link that in this video too. Y'all see it. Detailed wig install, and I'm gonna also link the company, because I've used this wig a couple of times. I'm gonna also link a company in the videos I made with this company. This is Herluxe hair. Yes, ma'am. Y'all know I had to do a cute little sideburn. My baby hair fanatic. The no baby hair thing is blowing my mind though, like how good it looks. But I'm sorry for the long intro, because I'm pretty sure my intro was already long enough. Y'all saw I got a new one. I gotta do it. Y'all saw I gotta do it. Y'all saw I gotta do it. I got a new one. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe to stay. You want to stay here. And we're gonna get into this slay baby, because like what? Let's go.
Okay, and right here, baby, is the grand unveiling. Do you see that lace? No, you don't. I'm talking about slay with no baby hairs. It's a look. It's really a look.
Y'all, so I finally finished the install, and y'all know I gotta do my sideburns at least. I am a baby hair fanatic, so this is very weird and different for me. I did have to take some of my powder, which is it's the Maybelline powder in the shade 360, and put some on my lace a little bit. But y'all know, like, I'm used to baby hairs, but I ain't gonna lie, this right here, go put some of that gel on there, because them hairs keep flying and it piss me off. This look right here, the no baby hair thing. Oh, the no baby hair thing, baby. I like this. My mom loves this look. She absolutely despises baby hair anything. You know, damn baby hairs, those adult hairs. I'm like, they're baby hairs. Thank you very much. I be doing my hair. I be fleeking my hair. I know what a baby hair is. Thank you, ma'am. But yeah, so I finished it, you know what I'm saying? Stop here, because now we in the final steps and y'all want to just not cooperate. But I ain't gonna lie, them flyaways drive me insane. I hate when a girl hair is just flying all over the place. But yes, y'all, it's giving very much fresh perm. Very much fresh perm, very much grown woman. It's the same wig from Herluxe hair. This is the same. I'm gonna link the videos where I'm using this same wig. Like, this is from Herluxe hair, the wig they sent to me. I'm definitely gonna have to go and purchase with them once I get my bag right, or they want to do another collab. It's up to them. I don't care. I don't mind buying hair from businesses that send me hair. I don't mind buying it, you know. But yes, y'all. And then look how I'm making a little video. Look how luxurious it is. Like, what? Oh. Ooh, ooh. Like, what? You can't tell me nothing. And what? No baby hairs, y'all. No baby. I don't want to go to the army. No baby hairs. Like, it's a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I have to focus in the video. Was acting funny. I don't know what's going on. I'm really gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. My Twitter is upwithe_. I ain't been on there like that. I don't really be on there like that. I'm gonna get better. And then my Instagram is keeping my Instagram is keeping up with E _. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful install. The no baby hairs is like freaking me out, like, cause like this wig is freaking me out. This is like scalp. This is my hair. This is mine. I don't want anybody to ask me, where you get that with that what? This is my hair. I'm gonna see y'all in the next. Have a blessed day.
Okay, y'all, I know this is an afterthought, but this is honestly giving me that Ari and Jada look when Tay do they install with no baby hairs. Like, baby, it was snatched.